New Brighton Ford. Quality selection, exceptional customer service, and a great price, too. Let the friendly professionals at New Brighton Ford help you get into your next vehicle today.
What do you get when you combine a high-strength, military-grade aluminum alloy body with a fully boxed frame made of 95% high-strength steel? The ultimate work truck, the Ford F-Series Super Duty, F-250, F-350, F-450. They all come in your pick of 6 trims. More choices include 2 or 4-wheel drive, regular super or crew cab, short or long bed, and single or dual rear wheels. There's a 6.2-liter Super Duty gas V8 that puts out 385 horses and 430 pound-feet of best-in-class torque, and a 6.7-liter Power Stroke diesel V8 delivers 440 horsepower and a stunning 925 foot-pounds of torque, both class leaders. Available Sync 3 with voice control, brings Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and class-exclusive trailer reverse guidance takes the stress out of backing up with a trailer. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and accessories, and build an F-Series Super Duty that's all yours. The Ford F-Series Super Duty. It's the toughest, smartest, most capable Super Duty yet.
At New Brighton Ford, you'll never pay too much, and we'll do everything we can to make sure you drive away in the vehicle that's right for you. If it's service, selection, and value you're after, then New Brighton Ford is the place to shop. Stop in today. We're easy to find at the intersection of Highway 694 and Silver Lake Road in New Brighton. It's where our customers send their family and friends.